Alright, Patrick, we got you up and going. Here's your Super 200 high drive. Well, high-low it was. Now it's just regular. We made it straight through, no high-low. On side bed. There's your pills that come out of it. They're trash. I'll show you to you. That one was blowed. The leg fell off that one unsoldered and it committed suicide. So I put 2 new pills in it. It's all good to go. Straight through SWR. Radio straight through. Hello. This is what your radio's driving into. Hello. Alright. Turn him on. Input SWR. Almost 0. Alright. We're going to look at our bird first. Bird, 1,000 slug, PP, reading that, bottom scale, 200, 400, 600. Hello, worldwide. Hello, worldwide. Hello, worldwide. Close to 400. It ain't no shabby. On our LP, worldwide, 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 worldwide. You can see the SWR. Pretty hot with box. This is C box. Drive it with 100 watts. Hello, drive with 100 watts. Hello, drive with 100 watts. Hello, it's a hot box, man. But that one's all ready to go. I'll get it unhooked from the regular box. The regular box had a blow cap in it. He must have been driving pretty hard. The regular box had a blow cap in it, so I got to looking at it and goofing around with it. And found that and made it come to life. So it's a real good healthy meal. This one's regular cheese. Let me lay the camera right there. We'll hook up the hose. Whoop, hook up the ground. Drop the camera. We'll turn it back on. We're gonna start out radio drive. Hello. Alright. It's almost just hot. Straight through SWR, worldwide, worldwide, 0. Input SWR, radio drive, worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. 1,000 slug, PP. Hello, worldwide, hello, worldwide. Now we're running 15.5, so it makes them all do a little more, but it don't matter, they're doing good watts. On the OLP, hello, worldwide, hello, worldwide, hello, worldwide, hello. That's a lot better for that box. Drive it 100 watts. On the birdie, 1,000 slug. Hello, worldwide, hello, worldwide, hello. Get on down. Get with it. Can't hardly tell the difference in them. Hello, worldwide. Hello, worldwide. Hello. I like HGs, but she's all up, ready to go. Both boxes are fixed, man. I'll get with you. We'll get all this shit back to you, these two anyway. All right, bud. Appreciate you. Take care. You know who it is. Your friend in 10, 08 Boots. Catch you later. Bye-bye.